The purpose of this presentation is to focus on basic information technology, or IT, topics it is important to know in everyday life. These are the topics this presentation will cover: Moore's Law, software and hardware, RAM, operating systems and processors, business impact on computing, programming, automation, disk space and bandwidth, IP addresses, RFID devices, GPS settings on websites, the future, open source, SEO, Web 2.0, and Internet usage. Moore, who was one of the founders of IBM, suggests every 18 to 24 months, chip technology performance doubles, but computer prices go down as a result. This largely depends on what you purchase a computer for, whether it be general use, gaming, or other. Software is programs you put on your computer, like Excel. Hardware are the parts which make up your computer, such as RAM, which we will discuss momentarily. RAM, or random access memory. RAM is considered to be volatile memory, as the memory is only stored when your device is on, as opposed to ROM, or read-only memory. Operating systems are the instructions behind the scenes which allow your computer to run properly. They are operating systems already installed on your computer, like Windows. Ones you can install on your computer by yourself, like Linux and Ubuntu. And even ones that already come on your phones, like iOS and Android. Processors provide the power to your computer when it executes instructions you give it, such as opening a program or visiting a website. Most computers will have a sticker showing what processor is embedded within it. Due to outsourcing, individual pieces of a computer can be made cheaply. As a result, the overall cost of computers goes down. The following are various programming languages and compiling environments. Dr. Java, BlueJ, and Eclipse help in compiling Java, and MS-DOS helps in compiling C++. COBOL and Visual Basic are considered largely outdated. C#, C++, and C are still used, but not as often. Java and Python are the most common and current programming languages used in the field. Think of how social media works. You type text or submit an image and merely click a few buttons to spread your content to everyone. Behind the scenes, code or instructions are running to make these processes quote-unquote idiot-proof, which is the whole idea behind automation. Disk space is often set when you purchase a device, but you can add memory to your device if you choose, or you can use an external storage unit such as a USB drive or external hard drive. Bandwidth is how you transfer information across a network or internet. Bandwidth often relies on your ISP, the abbreviation for Internet Service Provider. Your IP address helps identify yourself on the internet. It is often defined by number, dot, number, dot, number, dot, number. That is 12 numbers, separated by 3 periods. A network, such as your house or a college network, has similar IP addresses. Often the only thing that changes is the last set of numbers. An example of an RFID device would be your E-ZPass. As soon as you pass the toll, your balance is lowered by the cost of that toll. Websites now include GPS settings on their pages to allow customers to promptly get directions to the company's location for wherever they may be. A smartphone or mobile computer did not even seem possible 20 years ago, so consider future trends. For those who do not know, Charles Babbage invented the first computer. Some people prefer to give back to the tech community by creating free software known as open source. Did you even know about the open source OpenOffice suite similar to Office? Next time you search for something in Google, look at the results. You may say paid results on the right-hand side, but often companies spend thousands of dollars to get noticed when people search for keywords. Companies target customers using these keywords. WordPress is one of the top Web 2.0 tools which allowed individuals with no web development knowledge the opportunity to create a website live on the internet and post information to it. Think of internet usage as the data you may use on your phone. Each site or app you use requires your computer or phone to use data. Make sure when you download this PowerPoint that you check the notes associated with the slides for further information. Social media was non-existent 10 years ago. Now, there are a bunch of different sites and apps related to social media. Remember, even if your social media profiles are private, your images may still appear on Google Images. So be sure to follow the posting advice here of only post stuff your mom or boss would approve of. People are more inclined to use and store information these days on their phone. Use fingerprint passwords or retinal scan passwords if possible. This is called biometrics. Make sure if you must use Wi-Fi at Dunkin' Donuts or another eatery that you are aware of the risk you are taking. The terms you agree to when you use the free Wi-Fi often absolve the company from any issues you may encounter, such as someone hacking your phone, where the company is not responsible to help you resolve this issue.